Hi everyone, this is Elizabeth Davis with Applied CAX. So what we're going to talk about today is the NX Open Reporter tool, new in NX 1847. With each new NX release, there are almost always some changes to the NX Open API. So if you are currently developing or using NX Open, it is important to know how these changes may affect your code and if there is any rework necessary. When the reporter tool is run, it will evaluate your automation files and return a report. The report is a CSV file with the information needed to identify the specific line of code affected, what's changed in the API, and why. The tool can be run before updating NX so that potential issues can be addressed ahead of time. The tool is available for download from the Siemens PLM download server through the Global Technical Access Center. Also note that you will need your WebKey username and password to access the GTAC website. In the rest of this video, I will demonstrate how to use the tool to evaluate your automation files. The first step is to navigate to the GTAC download website. Once you've entered in your WebKey username and password, navigate to NX on the left hand or use the filter. Expand folders until you see the Add-ons folder. In there, you will see a folder called NX Open Reporter Tool. Click on the Expand button and save the zip file. Navigate to where you've saved the zip file and make sure to extract the contents using 7-zip. In the extracted folder, you will find a file called readme.txt. Open that file and make note of the optional arguments section and the suggested comments at the bottom. The reporter tool is a Python script, so you will need to have Python installed on your machine. If you don't already have Python installed, you can download and install it from python.org/downloads. This should only take a couple minutes to install. Copy the suggested command from the README file and paste it into a blank text file. Next, find the file path to python.exe and paste that file path to the front of your command. Identify the version of NX you are comparing to 1847. Currently, the only options is to compare 11 and 12 to 1847. Select the appropriate JSON file and edit your command. Enter your output file name, or just leave it as output as I've done. Now, navigate to the automation files you want to evaluate and enter the file path or paths into your command. If you want to evaluate a single file, include the file name and extension in the file path and remove the -r at the end. If you want to recursively look through a directory of files, add the -r like in the example. Open an NX command prompt and navigate to the directory that has the file reporter tool. Copy and paste your command and press enter. The report will display in the window, or you can view it in the output file. Explore the displayed results.